Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the extended half double crochet. This is very similar to the extended single crochet in that it puts a chain beneath the stitch, extending it up a little bit. The name is very apt, I will give it that. It is super simple, great for blankets, adds some really nice density but length at the same time, so you don't get that airy stitch like the double crochet, but you get a longer stitch than the single crochet. So I think this is a wonderful in-between, especially if you want something a little bit longer than a half double crochet. So let's hop into this one. To create your extended half double crochet project, you want to chain any number of chains plus 2. Then turn it over. We're going to work in the bumps. You want to skip 1, 2, and we're going to do our first extended half double in that third chain from our hook. So we're going to yarn over just as we would any standard half double crochet, insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, and pull through. This is where it starts to differ. We'll yarn over and pull through that first loop only. Just like that. That is going to create a chain here. And that chain is what's going to give our extended half double the extension. From here, we have 3 loops on our hook, so we'll just finish it like we would a standard half double crochet. We'll yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Ta-da! That's it. That is the stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the following chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only to create that extension. Make sure you got that one little chain there and 3 loops on your hook. Then we'll yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. We have that chain extension, 3 loops on our hook, so we'll finish it like we would a standard half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. Doesn't that look so nice? You can see it and you see a half double, but then there's something going on here at the bottom that makes you take a second look. I love this stitch. I already love the half double crochet stitch. So this fun variation, I'm just so digging it. Let's keep going until the end of our row. And into our last chain. We'll yarn over, insert our hook into that last chain, yarn over, and pull through. Then we'll yarn over, pull through that first loop only. We have that chain extension and 3 loops on our hook, so we'll yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. And here's our first row. Doesn't that look so nice? Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. So here we're going to turn to begin our next row. From here, you have a couple of options for your turning chain. You could do a turning chain of 2 or 3, or you could do a stacked single crochet. I honestly prefer to do a stacked single crochet because it gives me a really nice clean edge. We do have a video on how to do this technique, so definitely check that out. And then this counts as a stitch. So I will move on to this next stitch here and do my first extended half double crochet for this row. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. We have our chain, our extension, 3 loops on our hook, so we'll yarn over and pull through all 3 to complete that half double crochet. And then into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. We have our 3 loops on our hook and that little extension at the bottom. So we'll yarn over and complete the half double crochet as normal. And then into the next stitch, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. 3 loops on our hook, our itty bitty extension, yarn over, and pull through all 3 of those loops. Yarn over, insert our hook into our next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And then to end this row, we are going to put our last extended half double crochet into this last stitch here. So you do not need to worry about going into the top of this turning chain. This last stitch here is all you need. So we'll yarn over, insert our hook into that last stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And there we go. So you still end up with a really nice smooth edge here. I love this stitch. It's so fun. And then we'll do one more row just for good measure. So we'll turn. You can do that chain 2, chain 3, or do your stacked single crochet. So I'm going to do a stacked single crochet. And then go into that next stitch because this counts as our first stitch. So I'll yarn over, insert my hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. This is such a fun variation to the half double crochet. I cannot express how much I really enjoy this stitch. I'm trying to think what I will make with it first. Probably a blanket. It might end up being a blanket. Alrighty, and then we have one more left in this row at the top of our turning chain or our stacked single crochet. So we'll yarn over, insert your hook into the top of your turning chain, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Ooh, so smooth, so clean. I love a 1-row repeat pattern, and I love one that gives me some nice clean edges. So you will just keep repeating row 2 all the way up until your desired length. Please let me know what you end up making with this stitch in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bells so that you know when we upload a new video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!